Hi, welcome to a video where I decorate cupcakes and talk about disturbing shit that make people question my sanity. And then I do some smiling and waving at the camera so you think I'm normal. I was asked to make vanilla and chocolate cupcakes. For everyone that reached out when I said I was depressed in my last video, you're sweet, but I'm okay, guys. I'll be using fondant to make cupcake toppers to spell out another inside joke that I'm not a part of. Have you ever wanted to squish someone's head like a... I'm fine. We're all gonna be fine. Fuck, I got chocolate on my Los Angeles shirt that was probably made in China. Baking is just an edible form of arts and crafts, so it's impossible to not think about your childhood when you're doing it. I grew up in New Jersey, which is what I blame my bad personality on. Have I ever told the proverbial you about how much I love cats? I'm not weird, you're weird. You know what? Being weird is cool, okay? In 8th grade, you bitch. More idiotic YouTuber waving, and it's time to frost these cuties. I like when people give me creative freedom, because then I can make things like a pair of titties. Check that out, baby. Honestly, this is art. Please respect it. I take medication for anxiety and depression, and I don't give a fuck what you think about that. I'm actually very well adjusted now if you ignore my constant need for attention. Okay, I'm gonna frost them, and then I'm gonna stick the things on top so you can see it spelled out. Watching someone frost cupcakes is absolute boner material and is just as soothing to do as it is to watch, so I'm enjoying myself here. I didn't them though, which is fine, I guess. Do you guys remember that website from the early 2000s called cakefarts.com? And it was just like hot women sitting on cakes and farting. Iconic. Ugh, I forgot I'm supposed to mix up chocolate and vanilla, so now I have to figure that shit out. I was actually so hyped once I started putting the toppers on because they did look very cool. Nothing but me and a bunch of tops and bottoms. Am I right? Where am I, grinder? Okay, I'll see myself out. Okay, I couldn't fit the whole phrase in one box, so I then had to rearrange them again to make it look cute if you put it next to each other, which it does. Damn, I mean, that is very cool. And those titties look awesome. Nailed it. Okay, well, thank you times a million for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do all the fun stuff. Follow me, blah, blah, blah. Here's some more dumb waving. Bye.